Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Behind me is the Ansco Camera Factory building that was converted into apartments a few years back. My wife recently got an opportunity to see some parts of the complex, so I thought some of the people watching this channel may have worked there or had family that worked there at some point and might be curious to see what it looks like right now. So I'll show you guys what clips she got. Unfortunately, none of them contain the apartments, but maybe I'll put a photo from the website of what the apartments look like right here, and you guys can check that out. So let's get a look from the air, and I'll show you guys what clips I have from the inside. Thank you to the Patreon supporters. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe down below. It really helps me out. And let's go. A lot of people may not know this, but the Ansco Camera Factory building was added to the National Register of Historic Places in 2012. The lobby area is pretty nice. I like the wood floors and how light and airy it feels inside. This is like a lounge where you can hang out with friends and cook or host a larger gathering right off the main lobby area. There's a really cool old scale from the original building that's sitting here in the main lobby. Love that touch. I love the history and old pictures that are all over the walls. It's really nice looking. Just around the corner from the lobby area, you'll find a business center that basically is more or less like a lounge with space to work and just get things done, I guess. So now we're up on the 4th floor, and I'm going to take you guys down the hallways just so you can get a perspective of how big and tall the building really is. And I'll show you around some of the amenities like the utility room and the pet grooming center on the next floor down. Also worth pointing out that they have these really cool graphics kind of showing more of the history of Binghamton and other cool facts about the building. So most people have laundry in their units in the building, but this room was also labeled as a laundry room. I would call it more of a utility room, as there wasn't really any laundry set up in it, but it was definitely labeled as a laundry room. Right around the corner here, you'll notice there's an elevator. The really cool thing about this building is there's two elevators that are evenly spread out on both sides of the building, so that's really convenient, and they both go all the way down to the parking level as well. We're headed down to the third level now, and I thought I would include this clip of the stairwell just to kind of show that they left some of these stairwells mostly untouched, it looks like. Really good view facing east over here. But yeah, I really like the historic feel of the stairwells as they kind of have that gritty factory feel to them. Coming up to another little factoid here in the hallway, I had no idea that Ansco predated Kodak in the photography business. That's really crazy. I mean, if you think about it, this video now is being filmed on an iPhone. Back then, I don't think anybody could have dreamed that this kind of technology would have fit in our pockets someday. I mean, it's just mind-blowing when you think about it. Taking you guys into the pet grooming station right now. It's really nice to have this as an option in your building. Like, living where I live, I have to take my dog down to Hoffman's or use a garden hose. Well guys, thank you for joining us on this tour around the Ansco building. Here's a quick last look at the outside, which is very nicely landscaped. You got a lot of parking indoors and outdoors. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.